Hello, so in this video I'm gonna show you the glitch or TV glitch effect, what I wanna call it. So this is the ginger garlic effect if you wanna know how to do this. Okay, we have got a wonderful video right here. I know, right? I know, it is good, right? So now what you're going to do is take one adjustment layer, hit OK, put it right up, just like that. Take a black video like this, just put it over. Now search for glitch. Aussie Universe one, you will have a what the hell. Yeah, and many people were asking about this plugin. So basically this plugin is a paid one, but if you run your brain enough, you know what I mean. Yeah, color none, small glitch, no color, and now here we have zero color. Okay, so you have already made the glitch, and now what you're going to do is go to color, apply any of the black and white preset that looks good enough. We have some of the blah 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 blah. So now you can do two things. You can have a snapshot of this area and make it all pause, and the other is you can just continue this like the video. So we are gonna do the pause one. So let's do the pause one. Let's pause it right here. Take a snapshot, put it over here, and now as you can see it is pretty much ready. Take the razor tool and make a cut on every frame. Well, I guess this should be enough. I don't want to do so much minute. Okay, now now what you have to do is delete this black one and delete this adjustment layer like this. I forgot to enable this. So yeah, we have the glitch effect, and to add a bit of spice, you know what I mean, like make it really good, just take this sound right here, copy, go here and paste. It will make a really nice glitching sound or error sound like this, or you can just use the normal glitch sound you can find anywhere on the YouTube. So also you can add one more adjustment layer and put one more glitch on it like this. And so yeah, like, subscribe, share, comment, and you should follow me on my Instagram, my personal and my meme page both. And yeah, you can talk to me anytime on Instagram. I'm always free. Bye.